What's up, guys?
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm Dan, as you know.
I'm Charlie, and we have a guest, Ben.
This is Benny Boy. This is Pookie Bear.
Yeah, that's my cousin. We're cousins. We're related.
Yeah.
We have blood.
Yeah.
So today we're going to be talking about what everybody likes to do on rainy days since it is pouring outside.
Yeah, it was raining like all day, all yesterday.
Actually, it's not pouring right now, but it was 5 minutes ago.
It's like not even drizzling now.
But it's still wet, so we're going to do this.
If there's more things that you like to do on a rainy day, you can leave it in the comments.
Yeah. And while you're leaving comments down, you should like and subscribe, and then share it, and then have your friends like and subscribe, and then share it.
As a matter of fact, if you're watching this video right now, go like it. I don't care if you like it or not, go like it.
We'll stop. We'll give you a moment. Are you done?
Okay, I'm going in. That's it. I'm good. I'm done. Is it done raining?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Is it still raining?
I hope not.
Can it stop raining?
Yeah.
When's it gonna stop raining?
Now.
Please.
Orange is the new black? You mean orange is the new fap?
Prison full of women. Wonka wonka.
Oh, Hannah Baker, you can slip my wrist. Uno.
No. Fuck this.
And voila, that was our video.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the whole video.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're done. That's it.
Yeah.
There's nothing in between.
Nothing.
Sorry.
Bye.
Peace.
See you next Tuesday.
See you next Tuesday.
Sucker.